What's up, my friends? Goofy Bastard here. Look at this. We're getting in the construction zone. Like, what the hell, man? This shit was supposed to be done by like 3 o'clock, I think. They normally work from like 9 to 3. Unless this is something, an emergency different or whatever. But anyway, bike show season is upon us in my area. I'm gonna roll that intro and we'll get into it.
Goofy bastard on a Harley, highways calling loud and clear, windy canyons wild and gnarly, freedom whispers in his ear.
So first off, I gotta say, this jackass up here in the red, whatever, maroon, whatever it is, from Maryland, I just watched this asshole pull out in front of a pickup truck, like off the side of the road. I don't know how the guy didn't hit him. Just like pulled out right in front of him, and the pickup truck was right in front of me. So luckily the pickup truck was there as my buffer. So getting into this bike show season, so this weekend coming up, we have a bike show locally, which is a car slash bike slash, I think, truck show, and it's an indoor event. And the main reason I'm going to this is a buddy of mine is putting his motorcycle, one of his motorcycles, in the show, and it's a fresh build, and so I'm really looking forward to seeing this bike. But that's going to be in Oaks, PA, and it's a whole weekend thing. It's Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Me personally, I'm not going to be able to make it till Sunday, so I'll put the information up on the screen here. So if you're in the Oaks, Pennsylvania area and you're interested in going to a car slash bike show, it's available. It's there. Like I said, I'll be there Sunday. And hopefully this video will be out like Saturday night. So if you're, in the area and you want to go, and it'll give you the information you need. And if you see me, please feel free to come up to me and talk to me. The following weekend, they're having a classic modern classic bike show, like the one I went to last year at Martin's, and it's actually at the same spot. It's at Martin's, and I believe this one's an indoor as well. So that'll be the last weekend in March, and that also is I believe Friday or Saturday and Sunday, not Friday, I believe, but I'll put the information up here on the screen. I will be going to that one as well, and like the one in Oaks, I will be going on Sunday because I work into Saturday, and so Saturday kind of doesn't work for me, so I'll be going on Sunday as well. Now, hopefully the weather will be good for both of these events, and I'll be able to take the bike. If not, I will be driving the truck. And so the second one's at Martin Motos in Boyertown. I believe it's in Boyertown. I believe that's the actual town it's in. It's right off of Route 100 in Boyertown. So I will be going to that one as well. As far as I know, nobody I know is in the show. But if you want to go see some cool older bikes, that is definitely a place to go, because they did last year the one during the summer in the outdoor show. I'll put the link to the video up here somewhere. That was actually a good one. They had some really nice bikes there, and that was a ride in, so anybody could, display their motorcycle. But yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing over the next couple weeks. So like I said, if you want to go to a bike show and you're interested, I'll be there on Sunday. And like I said, if you see me, please feel free to come up and have a conversation. I will probably have some of my channel swag, some stickers, some poker chips on me. So, if you're there and you want something like that, please feel free to come up and say hi. So that's what's going on. All right, guys. Well, y'all stay safe. Y'all love one another. Peace.